Hello, Nora. Happy Thursday. Hope you had a great rest of the day yesterday. It was super fun, once again, to have you participate in our graphing activity. I know it gets a little loud and a little crazy, but it's super cool to have you there. All right, let's start today by singing our ABC flipbook song. And remember, we're going all the way to Z now because of reaching Z yesterday. So start with your sign language for A, and let's sing this. A is for apple, apple. B is for bus, bus. C is for cake, cake. D is for duck, duck. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for house, show me, house. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jam, jam. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for mitten, mitten. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for panda, panda. Q is for quilt, quilt. R is for rope, rope. S is for sandwich, sandwich. T is for TV, TV. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for wagon, wagon. X says kiss, kiss. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. This is the end of our song. Thank you for singing with me. All right. Hopefully you were able to keep up and do most of your signs. Okay, I want to just do a little practice. I'm going to give you a sound and I want you to see if you can figure out the letter. Okay? How about this one? B. What letter says B? If you said B, you are correct. All right, what letter says, let's see, I want to find a good one. F. If you said F, you are correct. Let's do a couple more. What letter says I? If you said I, you were correct. Which letter says, I'm finding it, I know which one I want to do. Which letter says N? If you said N for Nora, then you were correct. All right, and the last one, which letter says Z? If you said Z for zebra, then you were correct. Okay, now I want to show you what you're doing today. We are done doing our letter of the day sheet. So today's lesson is going to be a little bit different than what you're used to seeing, okay? You're going to find the worksheet. It's called Lunchtime. And if you look, there are a bunch of animals and they're having lunch. We have a pig and a rabbit and a bear and a moose and a fox and a cat. And the first letter of the name of each animal is on their shirt. Now what you have to do is look at the lunch boxes and find the lunchbox that has the letter that matches the letter on each animal's shirt. So P for pig, we would want to look at our lunch boxes and we want to find the lunchbox with a P for pig. Found it. Now, to be able to glue it to the paper, you're going to have to use your scissors. And you're going to take your strip. You'll have to take this off. I stapled it. But you'll have to cut right along these lines to cut off each lunchbox. And once you've cut all your lunchboxes apart, then you can start doing your matching. So once they were cut apart and you found your P, you would glue your P here. Now, the best way to do this is to put your glue on the big piece of paper. Don't put it on the lunchbox. That's too little. Put your glue on the big piece of paper and then stick your lunchbox to it. And you're just going to do that for each of the letters. And when you're done, see how many of the letters you can name to mom or dad. So when you're all done, you might want to go P, R, B, M, F, C. See how many of those letters you know. And then your last task is to color the animals on the worksheet. So that's what we're doing for our language arts today. So you need scissors, you need a glue stick, and you'll need your crayons to color it when you finish. All right, so that is that. Now for math, you're familiar with this because we've already done it. You're going to need your vis-a-vis marker, and you're going to trace it, make it. Trace it, make it. So the dots are there for you to try your own. The dotted ones are there for you to trace. Let's go through the numbers together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this time I want to go through them, and I'm going to get my clipboard here. I'm reaching for it. I can't reach it. Okay, I'm going to use a book instead. Okay. I'm just going to go through each of the numerals once, just so you can hear and remember the words we use when we're writing them. Okay, remember the black dot is for you to start on. So you're going to put your marker on the black dot for this first one, and you're going to go around and around and around, stop, and that is 0, 0 the hero. Number 1, put your pen on the dot, straight line down. Number 1. Number 2, up and around, all the way down, stop, and go back. Remember, number 2 has a candy cane at the top. You're sliding down a long slide, you're stopping and you're going back. All right, for 3, starting on the dot, these are just like the bumps on a B. So you go back and around, back and around. And when I made the bottom part of my 3, I just went back on that line that I made from making the top. So watch, back and around. I keep my pen there, I go right back on that line, back and around to make the bottom, so that those 2 bumps can sit on top of each other. Now let's look at 4. I see the dot, I'm going to put my marker there, down and over. And then I'm going to lift up and do straight line down. So let's do that one again, down and over, lift up, straight line down. And then finally we have 5. And remember, we start with the straight line down. The last thing we do with a number 5 is to put the hat on it. So we put our marker on the dot, down, big fat tummy, lift up, put a hat on it. So think of 5. This is Santa's big fat tummy, and the last thing Santa does is put his hat on. Okay, so you're going to do this for your math, and then when you're done, have a grown-up in your house give you a number test. For example, find 2. Oh, there it is. Find 5. Oh, there it is. See if you can find all of these numerals, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when you're done, you'll need a wet one to wipe it off and a tissue to dry it off. Okay, so that's your math for today. Now I want to take you over, and I want to do a little quick calendar for you, and we'll call it good. All right, remember we are in the month of October, and October is Halloween month, so when we look up here, we see the pumpkins. That's our clue. So our pattern down here is pumpkin, pumpkin, ghost, ghost, pumpkin, pumpkin, ghost. What do you think this one is? If you said ghost, you are right. Say, today is October 8th, 2021. All right, good job. Okay, say, oops, I forgot to do these. We're gonna sing Sunday, Monday. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 12 months in a year. It's true. Listen now. I'll say them for you. I say it, you say it. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These 12 months make up a year. Come on, everybody, give a silent cheer. All right. Okay, we had 31 days of school yesterday, but we're going to add a straw. So now instead of having one loosey-goosey, we're going to have two. So I'm going to flip this card to a 2. I can't flip a blue card because I don't have another bundle. Is 2 enough for a bundle? No. How many do we need for a bundle? 10? If you said 10, you were right. All right. Let's count our straws. Are we ready? We always start with our bundles first. Say 10, 20, 30, 31, and 32 days of school. I'm going to take the 32 card. I'm going to put it right here. And if you notice, all of these numbers have 2s, so I put a number in the 2 row. And now we're going to count to 32 together. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 days of school. All right, let's do a blast off from 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, thank you for helping me with calendar today. Okay, I will see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock, or I should say today because you're looking at this today, at 9 o'clock for Google Meet. We'll say hello, we'll sing our morning song, but we won't do too much more than that. And then I'll see you again at 11:50, and we'll do Purple Book, and we'll do our graph for the day. So have a good rest of the day, get that work done, and I will see you soon. Bye.